ingredients for the meat sauce. So we have ground beef, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, diced green bell pepper, minced onion, 1 piece of beef cube, 1 cup of water, and then cooked macaroni. Here are the ingredients for the Mornay sauce: all-purpose flour, 2 cups of fresh milk, cheddar cheese, and butter. So let's start cooking by first boiling the macaroni. Pour the macaroni into the boiling water and then wait natin like around 6 to 8 minutes bago siya maluto. And then after maluto ng macaroni, drain natin siya and set aside. And now let's start with cooking the meat sauce. First, melt the butter into a hot pan. So, wait mo lang na malusaw yung butter. So, kulang pa yung dalawa. Dagdagan natin ng isa pang butter. Wait natin na minute yung butter bago natin ilagay yung ground beef. So now, pwede na natin i-add yung ground beef. And then, haluin lang natin siya. And then like, for around 5 minutes until yung color niya ay maging medium brown. Medium brown at hindi sunog. Lang mga besh para hindi dumikit yung meat sa pan. So now, after maluto ng ground beef, pwede na natin i-add ang onion. And then the green bell pepper. Add na rin natin. And then, add na din natin yung diced tomatoes. Haluin mo lang ulit. And simmer natin siya for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, ayan, pwede na natin i-add yung tomato paste. And then 1 cup of water and 1 piece of beef cube. And then, halo ulit mga besh. Halo lang para mahalo. Ito na yung secret ingredient niya, yung Del Monte Sweet Spaghetti Sauce. Stir natin siya and simmer natin siya for 20 minutes. So, after 20 minutes, yan, makita mo, luto na siya. So, halo lang ulit, mga besh. And then, ayan, i-set aside na natin ang meat sauce. And now, lulutuin naman natin yung Mornay sauce, Mornay, whatever. Yes, lagay natin yung butter sa mainit na saucepan. Okay, lusaw siya agad kasi nga mainit yung saucepan natin. Then, ilagay mo na yung all-purpose flour. And then, stir mo lang for like 1 minute. And then, hintayin natin siyang naging yellowish yung color. Wag brown kasi pag brown, sunog na yun. Then, pwede na natin ilagay yung fresh milk. 2 cups of fresh milk. Whisk mo lang. Whisk mo siya hanggang mag-thicken na yung sauce. Tsaka kumulo siya. Now, we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Then, whisk mo ulit siya. And simmer natin siya for 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, let's add the cheddar cheese. Whisk lang natin ulit siya hanggang mag-melt yung cheese. Okay, luto na siya. So, set aside na natin ang mayonnaise sauce natin. So, now, mix natin yung cooked macaroni and meat sauce. Yes, halo lang natin siya. And then, transfer natin siya sa baking pan. Then now, ilagay na natin yung mayonnaise sauce. Spread mo lang sa macaroni and meat sauce mixture. Make sure lang na every corner is makakover ng sauce. So yan, ready na siyang i-bake sa microwave oven. Tada! Luto na! Yes! Kain na. Thank you for watching and happy cooking!